Hi, Laura Handke here, Like Us We Go's transformational voice teacher. And I'm on LinkedIn celebrating some of my contacts here and spotlighting how people are using their voices in the world. And today I want to introduce you to someone I would never have met probably if it wasn't for LinkedIn. We've never even spoken, we've just connected here. But I love this idea and this concept. Akash, a Better Human Universe Saviour Foundation. The man who founded this calls himself an international spiritual trainer, modern monk, which I love, and life coach. This is what he has to say. We have been working since 2014 in the field of 36 types of meditation, chakra meditation, NLP, student NLP, money attraction workshops, Reiki healing, blindfold exercise, now that sounds interesting, telepathy, Kundalini yoga, and the list goes on from there. But this is what he has to say. I have the passion of doing meditation and manifesting aims through it. Enhancing your concentration power to achieve your dreams can only be achieved with the higher energies. We all have the issue of doing hard work but can't achieve the desired goal. The answer is just that we can't concentrate the way that it requires. We can join hands together to seek this out by putting effort toward more concentration improvement. I have a dream of making everyone happy by helping them in achieving what exactly they are looking for with the help of giving inner peace with meditation. Now, I am no means an expert in meditation and connecting with higher energies in quite that same manner, but I can tell you how much my own meditation and breathing practice has helped me, not only as a voice teacher and a performer, but just as a plain old human being. And I have taken NLP and Reiki training in the past, and I can assure you that both are extremely helpful. And also, guess what? I know when I'm in the flow and connected with divine intelligence or whatever you want to call it, and I know when I'm not. And life flows a lot easier when you are. So check out Akash, a Better Human Universe Saviour Foundation, which is in India. And the Indian cultures totally fascinate me, which is another reason I want to go ahead and present this spotlight. Again, I'm Laura Handke, Like Us We Go's transformational voice teacher, and you can find me at laurahandke.com to help improve your vocal impact and longevity, or you can find me right here on LinkedIn.